Hey guys, I'm here with another video with Zet. Today, I'm gonna be doing a roleplay on knife ability test, and I'm doing it with Zet, of course. So yeah, so as you can tell, obviously that I'm talking, and you can see, and you might not know why Zet say hello guys in the chat of Roblox. Just because it's literally nighttime right now and he's not even talking. He cannot even literally talk. He made his mic on mute on WhatsApp. Okay, he said he has no mic, so okay, so it's fine. So yeah, we're just gonna test out if we can hear anything from him. Okay, nothing at all. Okay, so we're just gonna vote. Let's just vote classic. Oh, seems like he can hear me because I put on mute. Unmute. You guys heard me. Unmute. Okay. So yeah, Zet only has 61 kills and he's level 18. That's literally okay for just the beginner for the beginner level. So yeah. Map is loading. Okay, now we're there. So I'm gonna use the Colt. Okay, look guys, I got the new knife called the ice knife, so I'm gonna be trying to test this out. Oh, let's try it on this guy. Killed him. Oh, let's try this guy. No! Go. Double kill by just the explosive knife effect. Never mind. There's nothing down there, of course, in that basement. Let's try to find Zet. Whoa. You dare try? No! Potato Alexa 17 killed me. Come on. Alright, now is my time to use this thing. Killed him. No. Killed him. Whoa, I'm gonna kill the other guy. Whoa, no, I'm running out of control. My hand, no. I'm gonna get payback. Okay, no, I'm just gonna. Aha! Thought he could kill me fast. Oh. I'm gonna kill him. Let's go. No. Okay, he killed me. Ooh, he has the claymore. He has the same gun as me. Okay. No. Killed him also again. Go. You're gonna die today. Ah! Okay, let's try this again. Okay. I want to find someone to kill at least. Let's at least try to find Zet. He's already now to 67 kills. Oh. Get out back. There you are. Get down there. Fall down the stairs, you. No. I need you to fall down the stairs. Yeah, at least I killed him. Ooh, okay. Kill him. No, I need to kill him with my ice knife. Oh, why is there lag? Come on, no, stop lagging. Okay, never mind. Killed him. Oh, come on. Okay. Nowadays it lags on my PC whenever I record. Please don't mind the lag. Please don't mind the lag, guys. The more videos that people make, the more it lags. All right. Oh, okay. Go. Ah! No, not my knife. I wish I was never that far from him. Look, I'm almost to 104 level. Ooh. No, I need to kill him with a Colt. Gun time. Killed him. No! Hitman's axe. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna go there. I need a drink of Bloxy Cola. Alright. Ooh, killed him. He tried to kill me. No, get back here. Get back there. Yes, headshot. Ooh, okay, yeah. I'm such a noob. Like, I'm literally the noob. Zed is better than me. Zed is better than me. Although he has less kills than me, but he's better. I mean, basically, he started playing this game as the beginner. Okay, choose Classic Legacy, Zed. Zed, choose the Classic Legacy. Okay, never mind, I'll just vote what he voted. Okay, never mind. Okay, fine, I'll just vote what he voted. I don't mind, he's my friend. What is he saying police for? I do not know. Okay, murder mystery. Okay, Zed, this is basically going to be the last thing we're going to do on the roleplay of knife ability test. Oh, look, I'm the sheriff. So this is the last thing we'll play on knife ability test for the roleplay of the video, right? So you gotta accept this. Oh, let's see who's the... Okay, let's see. Okay, his screen is lagging. I'm sorry about that. Oh no, I got less time. I need to see who's the killer. Who's the killer? I need to see who's the murderer. If I hear any stabbing, then oh no! I should have shot him first. Okay, at least someone else could fill in for me. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for tonight. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.